Switzerland is known for its overpriced lifestyle, its neutrality, and the beauty of its panoramic view everywhere you go. On my weekend trip to Switzerland, I thankfully only had to encounter the latter and avoided aiding in the Swiss economy almost entirely. Packing PB and J sandwiches really helps the wallet stay full. Outlook from the train to Lucerne and traveling in Switzerland does the opposite for your memory card on your camera. There are so many scenic pictures that could be from postcards wherever you look. It's fascinating to be around such real and untouched beauty. The picturesqueness of the views made me stop and think about how awesome God's creation is, and how much time He must have spent in creating Switzerland because He did it right. There are all these small little towns enclosed by broad and magnificent mountains. You have the Alps on one side and some more minuscule mountains on the other. Just riding around on the train can bring about some amazing pictures. All in all, I traveled to 4 cities, all in the central part of the country: Zurich, Bern, Interlaken, and Lucerne. Although all of them had superior scenery in comparison to many other cities that I have traveled to, Lucerne was definitely the most beautiful. Aided by the warm and sunny weather, Lucerne was a truly gorgeous town to walk through. Matt and I only spent a few short hours there, but we got to see much of the city. Chapel Bridge was constructed in the first half of the 14th century and is one of the oldest wooden bridges standing. Walking across it allowed us to see paintings up along the rafters showcasing local history. Much of the bridge burned down in 1993, but the rebuilding was quick and allows for visitors to still witness the history of the fortified city. And across the water were the most scenic views of the Alps, simply breathtaking. Guess what you find in the largest frozen area of Europe? The biggest glacier, obviously. And that already makes this glacier one of the Swiss natural wonders. Aletsch Glacier is 23 kilometers long with a volume of 4 cubic kilometers and covers 7 square kilometers. Since 1870, Aletsch Glacier has retreated 2 kilometers and has lost 300 meters of its thickness, but it remains an astonishing view for anyone who gets to see it. And it is a protected